How much do you want your husband, future husband, to spend on a ring on you, engagement ring?
Oh, easily 75.
75. Why is that?
That's what I deserve.
That's what you deserve? Now, what do you even do for a living?
I'm majoring in accounting. I can make that easy.
You have a job then, right? What do you do a living for?
Doctor.
You're a doctor?
Yeah.
Are you studying to be a
I'm
doctor?
going to med school. I applied to med school.
He has it.
Now, how does,
I know he can.
now, how does it feel that your woman wants 75K for a ring?
Because she believes in me.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Bro, I'm spending a 5K about a girl.
5K? That's
The rest
it?
of that money is going for a fucking a wedding, like a nice wedding.
Oh,
Okay.
we're gonna have a nice
We're
wedding.
having an amazing wedding.
How much went for the wedding now?
Oh, 150.
Yeah.
Oh my